The very best Alder Smoked Salmon. Buckle up your seatbelts, here we go. What better on a snowy day than having dinner and having some awesome smoked sockeye salmon. This is one of my favorites, and I'm going to show you just how to do it. Piece of salmon on here raw, nothing else on there, no seasoning, we don't have any butter on there, no oil, just a piece of salmon on aluminum foil. And what we're going to do is throw it in just to throw some alder smoke on it. And we're going to use the Smoke Chief cold smoke attachment. Take a look down there, you can see that the rod is going, there's a little bit of pellets in there. And we're going to throw some alder pellets in. And just a handful will do it, don't need a lot. Gonna put the lid in there, and you see where that gets directed right into my Weber grill. So we're just gonna have this smoke for a little while, probably get about 20 minutes, maybe a half hour, and that'll throw some good smoke on there. Look at all the smoke getting on that salmon, that's gonna be good. Now it's time to cook. What we're gonna do, since we've got the smoke on there already, we're gonna put a little bit of butter on. So this is some melted butter with garlic powder and salt and ground black pepper. So we're just gonna smear that on top, kind of paint that up. This is some beautiful wild caught salmon. This isn't any farm raised salmon, this is the good stuff. So we're just gonna get that painted up nicely, and we've got the Weber set pretty low. What we want to do is bring this up to exactly 118 degrees. That's my magic temperature. I like to do my salmon at 118 because that is just past sushi, and it doesn't dry it out, it doesn't make it tough. It's just the perfect temperature. So your mileage may vary, you may like something a little different, but for me and my family, 118, that's the number. Coming along nicely. I'm going to take this thermal pen and just kind of go a little bit under the surface to kind of take a temperature. You can see that that's still sushi, but don't stick it in too deep because you don't want to penetrate that aluminum foil down on the bottom. But looking good so far. A couple more minutes and we'll be there. Look at that. We are just right, just pulled it off. We're about 115 degrees. It's still gonna pop up just a couple of degrees as it's here. And in the thinner parts, we're a little higher. But that is looking absolutely fabulous. The smell-o-vision is broken, but that, oh man, if you could smell this, this is gonna be so good. Looking forward to it. Take care, like and subscribe if you would.